The world is changing at such a rapid pace. I first thought about when I first started off my career in the early 90s. There's no such thing as Facebook or LinkedIn or any of those stuff, right? So a lot of the branding back then was very much from a very face-to-face perspective. In fact, when I first wrote my book, Turn Me On, digital marketing or social media had just come alive, started to come alive. And I wrote my book in 2006. Fast forward today, it is now the norm. And the norm means that as a personal brand, we now need to start thinking about not just the offline things that we do, but how we can position ourselves in an online environment. And to do that, there's a few things you need to consider. The first thing is you got to be clear about who you are and what your brand stands for. Again, I've seen people go out and post digital content, but it doesn't resonate with who they are, what their thought leadership is, or what they're talking about, or what they represent. That's important. Be clear about who you are. Number two, pick and choose the different channels that you want. I highly recommend that if you're in a professional setting, pick LinkedIn. You could also look at other platforms where your target audience is. People come up to me and goes, do I need to be on Pinterest? Do I need to be on Instagram? Well, it depends. If that's where your audience is, that's where the people that will engage you or hire you or buy you, then be in those platforms. And the final thing is this: you have to have a voice. You have to participate, engage, communicate. You can't just go on these platforms and go, all right, fine, I'm on the platform, now what? You have to take on an active role. And the active role means that you're putting out content, you are engaging with other people's content. And a final note when you start thinking about this is this: your brand, your personal brand should represent the best of you, not the worst of you, the best of you. So whatever you're doing online has to come from a place of you being authentic, but also being a lot more positive, right? Again, we live in the era of keyboard warriors. And I just remembered recently an incident that I saw. Now, this was a professional who had commented on someone else's post. Let me tell you what the post was. The post was about this guy sharing about how he lost his job. And this other professional commented, get your ass off your butt and go and find a job and stop complaining and whining. I thought how extremely insensitive this is, especially in the times that we are living in, and this is the COVID times. The poor person was suffering and feeling depressed, and this person snapped at this. Now I looked at this person's profile, and guess what? He was a manager in a reputable brand. And right after that comment, I realized there were multiple people who started to attack him. So again, when you put out your brand out there, it has to be the best version of yourself. Hey, if you have any more branding questions, please send me your questions to Jerome@JeromeJoseph.com.